Java conditional statements. What is the purpose of conditional statements in test automation? See, conditional statements are used to insert verification points and for error handling. See, conditional statements are used to insert verification points and one more purpose, and for error handling. See, we have two types of conditional statements in Java. Can you tell me, Sridevi, two types of conditional statements? In the introduction chapter, roadmap of Java, in that chapter we discussed.
Yes, sir.
For example, in VB script, if statement, select case statement. In Java, Aarti, are you there? See, first one, if statement. If statement. Next, switch statement. Switch. Switch statement. Next, types of conditions. Types of, just a minute. Okay. Types of conditions. See, first one, single condition. Example, if single condition A greater than B, do something. Next, compound condition or multi condition. Example, if A greater than B, logical AND or logical OR. A greater than C, then do something. Next, third type, nested condition. If A greater than B, open close. If A greater than C, open close. Like this you can write multiple conditions. If After fulfilling first condition, then it will go to second, next third, like that. Open, do something. Like this. See, three types of condition, Gursimran. Three types of conditions. Two conditional statements, if statement, switch case, switch statement, or you can say switch case. Three types of conditions. What are the three types of conditions? Gursimran, Grewal.
Sir, single condition.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Single condition.
Single condition, compound condition,
nested condition.
nested condition. Okay. Next, usage. See, usage of conditional statements. Usage of conditional statements. First usage, executing a block of statements when condition is true. Here no else part. Executing a block of statements when condition is true. See, syntax. Okay, Arti, okay. Syntax, if, use small letters. If condition, open curly braces, statements, every statement should end with a semicolon. Next, close curly braces. Example. See? File new class conditional statements. Write main method. Tell me the syntax for writing main method, Sridevi. You need to remember, execution starts from main method.
Public static void main.
Public static void main of string. Just a minute. Square brackets, arguments. Open curly braces. Next, int a b. A equal to 10, b equal to 5. Why it is showing a equal to 10, b, okay. Assignment 1. Next, if a greater than b, system dot out dot println of A is a big number. Tell me, Aarti, what is the output? What is the
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Condition is true. A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, observe Gursimran. A is 10, B is 50. What is the output? A is 10, B is 50. What is the output?
So condition is false. Output is not a big number. We don't have that.
Where I wrote is not, A is not a big number.
That's what I'm saying, sir.
It is one-way condition.
Yes, sir.
One-way condition means if condition is true, execute a block of statement. If condition is false, don't do anything, nothing. But just bypass the condition, nothing.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
nothing, nothing is output. See, this is one-way condition, one way. Understand the example, Sridevi? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
No.
Cool. Second one. Executing a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. See. Executing a block of statements. Before that, I will show compound condition also. Executing a block of statements when a compound condition. Earlier I used one-way single condition. This time one-way compound condition. When a compound condition is true. When compound condition is true. This is also one way but compound. In previous example, single condition. Say A, B, C. Suppose here only you can initialize C equal to 2. A greater than B and logical AND. A greater than C observe Aarti. Condition is, this compound condition is true or false?
It is true.
True. A greater than B, true, and A greater than C also true. Then what is the expected output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, C is 20. Observe Gursimran. First condition means first expression true. Second expression A greater than C false. First true and false. Then what is the output?
So nothing.
Nothing. See, it is one-way condition. Nothing. Nothing. See, first I will show syntax. Tell me syntax for compound condition. Just a minute. Sridevi, we discussed the example. Tell me the syntax for compound one-way condition. If skeleton is important. Based on example, you can easily understand the syntax. If
parenthesis brackets condition
condition 1, or you can say like this, and logical and
and condition 2
condition 2 open curly braces. Next statements. Every statement should end with semicolon, that is common syntax. Close curly braces. Next, third usage, executing a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise executing another block of statements. Just a minute. Executing a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise executing another block of statements. Here need not to say when condition is false. Condition is false or not, that is secondary. If true, it will execute first part, otherwise second part. Blindly it goes to second part. Syntax, if condition open curly braces, it is block of statements. Statements. Next, close curly braces, else open curly braces, statements or one or more, close curly braces. See example. Just a minute. Close curly braces, else open curly braces, system dot out dot println of any meaningful message. If A is not big number, then only B is there. B is a big number. Semicolon. Now tell me the output, Gursimran. One more curly braces. What is the problem?
print spelling.
Okay, spell mistake. Tell me, Gursimran, what is the output? A10, B5. Condition is A greater than 5.
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Run the program. Oh, still problem. One extra braces. Extra curly braces. See, A is a big number. Next, A10, B50. What is the output, Aarti?
B is a big number.
B is a big number. B is a big number. See. Next, fourth usage, decide among several alternates. See, in the previous example, only two alternates, either first part or else part. Here, several alternates. Else if structure, decide among several alternates. Another name is else space, else if structure. First, syntax. See, for every else if condition required. For every else if condition required. Can you tell me, can you guess the syntax, Sridevi? Guess the syntax for single condition.
If condition statements.
If condition, open curly braces, statements, next,
Else.
close curly braces. This black
Close and else.
else if, again condition. For every else if condition is required. Open curly braces.
Open curly braces.
Next,
Statements.
statements, open, close curly braces. See, like this you can write number of else ifs. Next, else, other than above. It is optional. Other than above. Else, open curly braces. Statements. It is optional. Close curly braces. Example. Just a minute. See, you can write single line, okay. See, suppose if a greater than 100, then display a is a small number, a is a small number. Just a minute. Close. Else if here compound condition required. A greater than, just a minute, a less than 100, a is a small number, a greater than 100, and logical and. A less than or equal to 1000, one more bracket, then A is a medium number, medium number. Next, close curly braces. Suppose single condition. A greater than 1000. Then A is a big number. See, you can write else part also, that is optional. Now tell me, Aarti, what is the output? A equal to 10. Observe three conditions. One is A less than 100, another is A greater than 100 and less than or equal to 1000, and last one is A greater than 1000. What is the output?
A is a small number.
A is a small number. See. A is a small number. Next, A102. Run the program. A is a medium number. Suppose A is 2000. Run the program. A is a big number. See, here you can write one else part also. Just a minute. Suppose A, here also write compound condition. A greater than or equal to 1. Logical and remove the space. Next, else other than above. Open curly braces. See, you can open curly braces in the same statement or another statement. See, first one compound condition, second one compound condition, third one single condition. System out dot println of A is other than above, either 0 or negative value. Semicolon. Suppose A is 0. Run the program. See, A is either 0 or negative value. Suppose minus 100. Run the program. Okay, na Gursimran. Else if structure. Any confusion? Next, 4, 5. Executing a block of statements. Executing a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Executing a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of the structure, nested if. Syntax. Sridevi, guess the syntax. Nested if.
Yes, sir. If condition,
If condition,
curly braces,
open curly braces,
if condition,
close curly braces. Next, again, if condition, open close, like this you can write multiple. If condition, open curly braces, statements, here else optional, close curly braces, else open curly braces, statements, close curly braces. See example. CA 10 B 7 C 5 D 3. If A greater than B, if A greater than C, next, if A greater than D, say system dot out dot println of any meaningful message. A is a big number. Close curly braces. Else open curly braces. In the same line also you can open. Next, system dot out dot println of A is not a big number. Semicolon. Observe, Aarti, first condition, is it true or false?
It is true.
Then it will go to second condition. Then it will
Yes.
check second condition. Otherwise, it bypass the structure, conditional structure. Second condition, true or false?
Second condition is also true.
True. Third condition,
Also
suppose if first condition not true, then what will happen?
It will go to the else part.
Else part. First condition true, second condition true, third condition also true. Then it will display A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, observe. First condition true, second condition true, third condition false. It will go to else part. A is not a big number. Understand this nested structure, Gursimran?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. If you have any query, ask me. Next usage, decide among several alternate using switch case statement. See, decide among, earlier we used else if structure, this time switch. Several alternates using switch case structure. See, syntax, switch a expression open curly braces, next case value colon, next statements, break is optional. If first case is okay, then break. See, like this you can write number of cases. Next, default. Default optional other than above. In VB script, case else is there. Here default. Default means other than above. It is optional. Statements. Close curly braces. Example. Say, char grade equal to A. Oh, single quote for character. For string, double quotes. Grade A. Next, switch expression grade open curly braces case A colon. Case A. See, system dot out dot println any meaningful message. Grade A. Excellent. Break. Next, grade B. Well done. Any meaningful message. Next, grade C. Better. Next, other than above. Default colon.
Sir, typo for default.
Just a minute. See, system dot out dot println of, suppose, invalid grade. Tell me, Gursimran, what is the output? As per input, here input is A. You can read the input. Here we are initializing the input. You can read the input that we will discuss in file and IO operations chapter. Now only initializing. You can read the input also. You can read input, but here we are just initializing the input. In file and IO operations chapter, we will discuss how to read input. Tell me, what is the output as per this input? Tell me, Sridevi.
Excellent.
Excellent. Run the program. See, excellent. Next, suppose B. Tell me, Aarti.
Well done.
Well done. Well done. Suppose no ABC. Suppose X.
Invalid grade.
Yes. Run the program. Invalid grade. See, this is about conditional statements. Again, we will use conditional statements in Selenium testing. Now I just introduced usage of conditional statements, syntaxes and examples. Just tell me, Gursimran, we discussed 6 types of usage of conditional statements. Just tell me the headlines. Usage of conditional statements. Gursimran not responding. Say yes or no. You tell me, Sridevi. 6 types of usage.
Sir,
First one, executing. I am not asking syntax, just usage, theoretical.
yes.
Ah,
Executing single condition.
executing a block of statements when condition is true. Condition means only single condition. Executing a block of statements when condition is true. Second usage,
Executing a block of statements when there are two conditions.
okay, when compound condition is true. Not only 2, you can write 3 also. Okay. Next, third one,
Executing a block or else another block of statement based on condition.
yes, executing a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise executing another block of statements. Okay. Next, fourth usage,
Fourth usage. Executing multiple conditions. I don't know, sir. Like fourth.
decide among several,
several alternatives.
yes, decide among several alternates. Say not
Else if
only,
structure.
another name of the structure, else if structure. Not only 2 alternates, multiple alternates, 10, 20, 30. Decide among several alternates. Another name of the structure, else if structure. Next, fifth one. Continue, Aarti. Fifth one.
Decide among other alternatives like a nested if.
Nested if.
Nest,
Not decide among several alternates. Nested if, okay. What is that usage? Executing a block of
it's not
statements
here, sir. Sorry for that.
when more than one condition is true. Next, last one, decide among several alternates using switch case. Earlier, else if, this time switch case. See once again, usage of conditional statements. See from the beginning, types of conditions, types of conditional statements, types of conditional statements. 2, if statement, switch statement. Next, types of conditions, single condition, compound condition, nested condition. Next, usage of conditional statements. First one, executing a block of statements when condition is true. Second one, executing compound condition, executing a block of statements when compound condition is true. Next, third one, execute a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise execute another block of statements. Fourth one, decide among several alternates using else if structure. Fifth one, execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name, nested if. Next, sixth one, decide among several alternates using switch case structure. Okay na? Sridevi, any confusion?
No, sir. No confusion.
Okay, good. Next, I will start next chapter.